uyabuza ukuthi how what was Chuma doing here? Is it Hlasela attacking you like that? Solamzela is saying that he wants a promotion. I just want to give it to him. I made a joke and then he got angry. We are calling on that vele he's unstable since wakhosi have emshadweni kabulelani. Ubulelani goes to Chuma's house and says, umakoti uyakujwelela yini? Is umakoti cheating on you? Chuma's my wife is not cheating on me. At high man. Apho you always cishe wabulala Solomzi, almost killed Solomzi. What's going on? Chuma brushes it off saying that he has to leave. And then Solomzi goes to see Nolita saying, when you planned all these things, did you even care? Chuma is my brother, but then you don't have dignity on a smilo. That's why you slept with all of us. Slept with Kaya too and me, all the brothers. On a smilo when you're like a bicycle of the community, everyone rides you. And then Nolita says, no, you wanted it and you loved it. And then Solomzi no Chuma, Solomzi how do you move on from here? I told Chuma, if I ever see you near my wife again, I will kill you. So fire in one of your coffins. And from now on, I'm going to continue with Mshigashigawami of digging out coffins, and no one's going to say anything to me. If I ever go down, I'm taking you with me. Because the business is like I'm not going to go down alone. Now also Solomzi is stuck with Chuma and he can't say anything because Umoni Lepela, he slept with his wife. And then Nolita says with Chuma, why are you not angry? Why are you not hurt? Like shout at me, do something. You slept with my brother. Because that's when I was very a tramp or a skank. I shouldn't have married you. I fought for you when my family didn't want you. I shouldn't have married you at all because it's not the first time I meaning I also slept with Kaya. I want you to fight because I love you. That if you loved me, you wouldn't have done what you did. You've broken everything that we had. I chose Solomzi because I wanted to hurt you. I wanted it to cut deep the way that you have broken me. How is that a revenge when you are the one getting child? And then tells Nolita my family wanted nothing with you. And I fought for you. I shouldn't have done that. Very I regret marrying you. I should have just left you alone because when I was Milo. After everything that I did, this is how you thank me. You really disappointed me. You've tainted everything that we had. I'm very disappointed in you. Since you wanted me to be hurt, okay. I'm hurt. This is the pain that you wanted. Okay, are you happy now? Unalita's now looking down like where is soil or whatever. She's crying because all this time she thought Chuma's just acting nonchalant. Like there's no way your wife would sleep with your brother and you don't hurt. And then Martha find out Tile, phones London and doesn't pick up, doesn't return his call. Decide to buy him airtime because assuming it's gonna airtime. Tries calling him again. Again picks up saying London is sleeping right next to me. So find out Tilo Martha would hey, there's another girl. And then Nelly tells Utenjo, if you want to get along with your mom, you need to move out so that you can preserve a relationship. And because now if you are still there and you're an adult, you have businesses, go find your own place. Umawake sees that she wants a new place to stay. Umawake is not happy with her moving out and tells her not to rush the process. Uchuma comes with a bogisi that he dug up. And Solomzi, what are you doing? You're stealing right in front of me. Please don't use that language. And you know, the rule here, unandi. So I tried to blackmail her. There's nothing he can do because he doesn't want Chuma to tell Nandi that he slept with Nolita. Asangena go Chuma how. Rebecca comes in, finds a bogisi that was dug up from a Manwabeni. What's going on here? Solomzi, what is it that's happening here? Because we're keeping secrets from each other. But what is it that you're doing now? So why is Gamavovo still alive? I took Solomzi, how you knew all this time. I say, okay, fine, I can excuse it because I know you're trying to protect Unandi. I could not kill Gamavovo because he loves Ukaya, and that's how Namyamtanda Ukaya. Let's leave in the Gamavovo, let's focus on Chuma. What is it that he has on you? athi uSolomzi, I slept with uNolitha umfazi wakhe, I slept with his wife. Rebecca and uChuma uyazi. Rebecca was like, what? Walala nenyoka Solomzi, you slept with a snake. She's frustrated because what were you thinking? How could you let to farm Julia Fana no Nolita to play you like that? Yes, Ufana no back you just like your father. But anyway, I know Guti, you probably did this to get back to head to Kuma. And now I realize they're not lying when they say that an apple doesn't fall far from the tree. And then athi yazi uqale imbi manje, this is war. You need to fix it. Athi ngenza kanjani ma? Confess, tell Nandi the truth. Confess to Nandi, tell her that you slept with Nolita. Athi angizwanga. How can I do that? Athi you need to do it, or else uzohlala like uChuma uzohlala kubambe trap. And then uMamsonto goes to see uNandi no Solomzi kwabo to see the baby because Ukhaya has been unwell. Realizes Ukhaya has a spot at the back, that thing that's called Ibala, but this kid needs to go to a traditional healer. Let me call my mom, and that's Ukhaya, you're not calling your mom. Let's ask Umalumbulelani, maybe he can help us find a healer that we can take him to. And then Nelly suggests they move in together. Naye wants to move out of home so they can stay together in Tenji's house. So Porana and work together. We'll see. Ukhuma hears about Tenji wants to move out and goes to speak to her saying, please don't move out. No, I need to leave because no mass of gonna we'll end up killing each other. And then Siamtanda finds out all this time Martha has been seeing Ulandan and Ulandan has been playing her and says we need to expose him. They go live and find Ulandan with a girlfriend and they start taking a video. They're live on Instagram. I'm confronting Martha with how can you do this to me after everything I've done for you? You were using me and all that. I was rushing, buying you things. The girlfriend lost it, saying you know what, I want nothing to do. Because all this time, girlfriend thought Martha was their cousin. And then Landan's like, no, we can all date. No, mom cool, no, mom ngan. That's why you're crazy. You're not going to do that. Then Landan goes to Martha to apologize. Martha says, you know what, you're not going to stop seeing me. You're going to continue hanging out so I can continue making my ex-boyfriend jealous. That's the only way I can forgive you. And I want my phone back. Rebecca was convincing Solomzi to confess to Nandi, tell her the truth so that Ukhuma won't have a hold on him. But Solomzi is like, there's no way I'm telling Nandi. I'm close to getting her back. If I tell her this, it will break her and I won't ever get her back. And also, especially because my baby is sick now, so I cannot do that. Please leave this thing alone, ma. Me again, Ukhuma. And then Solomzi and Nandi, they go to the traditional healer to take baby Kaya. And then the traditional healer is like, Uma wakusa pila yin Solomzi ati we are pila, so I need her to come and perform the ritual. Whatever I do, I can give you imbiza, but it won't work. Your mom has to do the ritual. Atunandi car over my dead body. Rebecca is not doing any ritual on my baby. How? What do you mean? Ati the traditional healer. If you can't have Umamaga Solomzi do the ritual, then you better prepare yourself for the death of your baby. Solomzi is like, Nandi, so you'd rather have our baby die than to have her help Ukhaya. Ati, why are you always judging her so harshly? Atu kwetliwe in Solomzi, have you forgotten what your mom once took the baby away from us? And then so Solomzi, ma, did you hate her that much because you'd rather have our baby die? Now Nandi is having a reflection because now if something happens to Ukhaya, it will be on her. Solomzi goes to tell Rebecca, ma, I need you, Kaya dinga. Agasajablang Rebecca, she's so happy to hear those words because she always wants to be grandmother Kakaya, but they won't Nandi won't let her. And then Unalita has packed saying she's going back home. Umaga's wake said it's okay. So you think it's good to live separately? Ati Unalita, but isn't it that you said you regret marrying me? And so I think it's better that I leave. Ati no, that's not going to happen on my dead body. Take your clothes, take your bags to the bedroom now. And then Utenji is all complaining about how her mother treats her like a baby. And now tells her, I'm leaving today. You have to leave today. Yes. So she's all packed. Calls an intervention, calls Umalume Bulelani, Novilapi to talk to her. But again, there's no way you can leave Uma Aiwani. You can't leave my sister alone. She needs you to take care of her. Atu vila pawa zukshu gogo Emma. And then that's how everyone has left, but you didn't complain. Atu mark everyone that left was married. When are you married? I'm shatanga when. So we're happy. And then Umartha finally got to make Ufinzo, her ex-boyfriend, jealous by using Ulandan, taking pictures with him and all that. Ufinzo ended up calling Umartha. And then Martha now is happy because finally she won. Ufinzo is jealous and says, now Ulandan has done his job and now it's time to say goodbye. Ulandan feels like I was enjoying being your friend. Can we be friends? Out to Martha, no ways. There's no way I can be your friend. So Namzo went to ask his mom or Rebecca to come and help them Ukaya because Ukaya has a mark, Ibala, which is making him sick. At you and Nandi must come and beg me. Sometimes it tells Nandi to Uma what is some at your mom is very cruel. If I'm a so as they're talking, Rebecca comes in. At hey, yes, devil, she appears. At hey, mangafuni, but I can just go back. At Sodam's, please don't leave my yakding, I need you. And then Rebecca takes the baby, baby Kai, and looks at him and say, Yasin, you guys keeping me away from my grandson. I would have seen this thing sooner. Asam Ben, let's go to the traditional healer before it's too late. And then they go there. And the traditional healer starts doing the ritual on the baby. Apparently, they have to cut the baby on the back of the neck to remove the mark to help him heal. Unand is like, is there no other way? Because I think she's not comfortable with umntwana being cut, but there's no other way. So more busy the ritual cut. Unanda gasakali, she's busy uyakhala. And then Ukuma, Nolita says she wants to talk. At Ukuma, there's nothing to talk about la. Ati when what's the point of staying together if isimo sinjena la? Ati I'm sure when so I must just leave us. We are not going anywhere. You're the one who caused the situation. You'll be sleeping with everyone la, including Uvi Nukaya slept with you before he died. And then Utenju is determined to leave, move out of home. Umawa Keshem is like, you know what, if no hamba then me again, she can go. I jawli Tenju goes, no, you're giving me blessings. But then Umaka also, you're not taking the bed. Low mood to get it more hamba, you buy your own bed. They get to their new place, no nail. You nail Lucy and she sold all her furniture. Tenju and I doesn't have furniture, so now they have to sleep on the floor. Umalum Kanyiso goes to Sodom's funeral parlor thinking that he's going to be a salesman wearing a suit and all. Sodom's what you and Ozokezi Dumbu. That's your job. So Kuma finds Nolita sleeping and Nolita wakes up in panic thinking, ooh, Kuma wants to kill her. Atai Kulega, if I want to kill you, I won't do it in your sleep. So Shanje lang al-balele in broad daylight. Samtana goes live, but it goes south when they start calling her home wrecker for ruining umshado kaQhuma and Nolita. Then she decides to go and fix things to apologize to Nolita. Nolita is furious, saying, you have got a nerve to come here into my kitchen. Please get out of my face. I'm not going to go anywhere until we talk. I'm so sorry for what happened. I want you to read my chats with Kuma so you can see because nothing happened between us. You seduce my husband and then you come here to disrespect me. I'm going to mess you up. Same time that's shy. I think hit me. I think if that's gonna make you feel better. I please forgive me. I Nolita got furious. I don't know if she was like strangling her or something. Was Kuma shows up, like wabahlukanisa ethi kunolitha hayi wena wenzana, are you crazy? Uyagula yini msana umono oyenzayo? What nonsense is this? What the hell are you doing? I ubona vele ubona Nolitha ucasukile. And he saved Samtanda because we don't know how much Nolitha was going to beat her up. And then Nandi wakes up to find that baby Kai is still bleeding. And the traditional healer had said that the bleeding will stop, but it's still not stopping. She calls on Solomzi to come and help. And then they start panicking. But actually, let's take the kid to hospital. So I'm like, no, we can't do that. Then Rebecca comes. My figure Rebecca. Unandi goes off saying that when it's your fault. What did you do to my baby? This is your fault. There's probably something that you did to Mtwanami. And then Rebecca looks at the baby and says, why did you put your bandage? Muslim also, are you using the muti that they gave you? turns out Unand is not really using it because she thinks it's not helping. And then Rebecca suggests, I think you guys must come and live with us, with me for a while, so that we have all the support to take care of baby Kaya. Unand over my dead body, angizi lapho. And then Tanjiwe goes home to ask for pots from her mother, saying where she's staying, like she does not have furniture or things yet. She's gonna bring it back when she gets stuff. Forgetting, not telling them, because she sleeps on the floor. Once they know this, they're gonna feel good. She rushed into this while she was not prepared. Ngapha they're already fighting Noneli because they're clashing about sleep patterns and all that. And then uMartha asked uNkanyiso ukuthi wenzani lapha, are you working idumbu? Athi no, I'm a salesman, he's hiding it. Kanti uNkanyiso is busy ngapha pushing umshikashika wakhe, taking jewelry from the corpses and selling it. So that's why now we don't do that here. Here we give back the belongings to the family. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.